Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is another episode of Beauty Battle, and today's episode we are taking a heated lash curler and we are taking a regular lash curler and we're putting them to the test. This is the lash curler I picked up. This is a heated lash curler and I picked this up when I was walking through the mall yesterday, and this is from MINISO, and I'll write the link down below so you guys can pick one up if you guys want to try it out. This was super cheap. It was like $9.99 Canadian, I believe, so because I've never actually tried a heated lash curler before. Today is that day. This is the Kala lash curler. This is from the Pro series. This is a easy grip lash curler, and I thought let's put the two of them to the test and let's battle it out, see which one's better. Basically, this is the heated lash curler right here, and okay, that's what it looks like. I don't know exactly what I was expecting. I just don't think I was expecting that. So I'm reading through these instructions. I expect you guys to read them, but there is something that I thought was interesting, and you have to turn it on, wait for this little black light here to turn red. So it's basically turned red now. You basically comb through your lashes, starting at the root, and just comb up like you would apply your mascara. Essentially, that's the gist of the whole thing. So we're gonna test this out. We're gonna give it a shot, so we don't need that anymore. So it's not hot, like I can, you know, touch my skin with it. It's barely warm, but it does have the red light on that it's ready to use. Okay. There's a heating element to this on one side, and then on the other side we have the little light indicator. So when it turns red, it's supposedly ready for use, but I'm gonna put my finger on there. Like, it's barely warm. Just because I am putting this up to my eye and I'm a little bit scared of it, what I'm gonna do is take a strand of my hair. It doesn't say to test it like this, but I don't want to burn my eyelashes. Love you guys, I do, but we're just gonna test it here just because I don't want to like cinch off my hair. Not that I'm gonna be able to tell that this has curled my eyelashes, but at least it's not burning my hair. No, my hair looks okay. Also, I want to tell you guys I've got my eyeliner on, I've got my, obviously my makeup on, and we're good to go. I don't have my mascara on yet, so they're just natural lashes, my natural lashes. I'm going to do this before I apply my mascara. Here goes nothing. Oh, it's hotter now. It's not like hot, it's just warmer now that it's up to my lid. What do you guys think? I'm looking in the mirror. For me, like, I see no difference, like, at all, between my natural flip that I have on my natural lashes and using this. It's warm, and I kind of like the warm sensation, but when I think of an eyelash curler, I kind of think of something that's actually like a tiny curling wand that will give it more of a bend. Like, this isn't giving it a bend. Like, I'm literally just, it's like one half of a hair straightener in that sense. So, first impressions, it's really odd. It's really odd, and we'll keep going. I'll curl the rest of them and we'll battle it out at the end. Turning this off. let's move on. We've got the Cala Precision Pro Tools Eyelash Curler, so let's try that out on the other eye. So this little guy right here actually comes with 3 pads, one that's actually on the device, and then 2 more extra ones. So I won't throw those ones. We're gonna just put that aside. I'll throw it in my eyelash bin. So basically you're just going to put both fingers on it. You're going to hold it up to your lashes, just like that. You're just gonna squeeze gently, like that. You don't need to continuously pump. A lot of people actually will do it without the little pink cushion, and they'll heat up the metal with a lighter. I've heard of that to try and get a curl if you've got super straight lashes. I don't recommend it, but it is something that is done. This works. Like, that looks good. Okay, so you guys know that I love this Pat McGrath Dark Star Mascara. I use it in basically every one of my videos. Love Pat McGrath's mascara. I'm gonna go in and we're gonna see which one applies nicer, applies better. Is the curl still there? We're gonna figure this out and I'll be right back. So when applying my mascara, I always apply up and then I do the top of the lashes and I apply down and I finish by going back up. What do you guys think? Is it giving me any more volume and lift? Now I'm doing the new Cala Pro Tools Lash Curler side and we'll see how the mascara applies. Which one do you think is better? The Heated Lash Curler side? Or the Cala Lash Curler side? Which one's giving me more lift? This, honestly, I don't know what to say about this. Did I love it? No. Would I recommend it? Not really. Do I think this is amazing? Hell yes! This is good. This is giving me lift and volume and like everything. So clearly the winner is the Cala Lash Curler. If you guys want to stay up to date on all the hottest trends and the latest products, remember to hit that notification bell, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and remember, hit that like button. Okay guys, until next time, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye guys.